Oops. Yeah, I'll keep unpacking. But those type of realizations and thinking and processes of thought, those are why these hiking trips and kayaking trips and things, as much fun as involved with both of them, that's why these things are mandatory to me in my life. And I know that a lot of you, if not all of you, understand where I'm coming from with that, because it is hard to understand yourself and who you are as a person if you don't cut out some time in some way, shape, or form to spend with just you. You know, if you have a dog, your dog, God, and nature, and have real conversations with all 4 attendees. You know, I talk out loud a lot when I'm by myself hiking. People probably hear me coming and think there's a schizo on the trail or something, but you have to speak out your thoughts and your feelings, and you have to ask yourself and God questions, and then you have to wait for answers. And when you feel a sense of responsibility come over you in some way, shape, or form in the process, then you have to take that seriously. And these videos are me doing that. This is not something that I just had an idea that I wanted to do. This is something I feel overwhelmingly compelled to do. I know what it'll mean to me. I know, you know, in some realm, what it'll mean to like my family and friends. But in the grand scheme of things, I don't know what it'll mean, but I have an overwhelming sense of responsibility to actually shoot these videos and release them. I don't know that it's some message I'm trying to share, or if I'm just trying to capture my existence. I'm trying to document my existence in a way that might echo, you know, I don't know, but I just feel some overwhelming pull to do this. So, and I, you know, even thinking about it, like I already can see, I tell like Jalen all the time when we talk, when you really start listening to God speak, you'll start to see the path unfold in front of you. And I can kind of see that with this already, because just the fact that I heeded the call to buy the equipment and spend the money that I didn't really want to spend has already influenced me and motivated me to go to places I haven't been before, like where I'm at right now, today. So it's already having an amazing impact on me. And I hope that whatever this is, whatever this turns out to be, I hope that it has an impact on all of you too. I don't want to get too excited, but I think this is where we came in. Yeah, it is. It's not where we came in. It's the trail we walked by when we were coming in, where I said we'd come out at a section of the trail. I'll probably just cut this part out. And here we are. We'll check the records, but I'm pretty sure this is it. Yeah. Yep, Woodland Trail. All right. We're about done with this adventure. With this part of the adventure, I should say. Gotta be reminded. That last part was a leg burner, man. Still an easy trail, but that was a leg burner. Now I gotta do some walking up. And there's me Jeep. So, I don't know which is wrong, the app or just the step counter or whatever, but it's saying that I have done, now my screen went dark. .3 miles instead of 8.3. Now, I did go around that loop, but that couldn't have had it but a quarter mile. So, I don't know. I guess close enough. Car, sweet car. That guy right there is done. So that's the end of the hike for me and Axe here in Brookville at whatever trail name I put in the title of this video, because I can't remember what the trail was called. Yeah, overall a great hike. I guess 9.3 miles is what my app said. So yeah, 8.3, 9.3, either way is a really nice hike. Very easy. Some leg burner hills for sure, but nothing crazy. And some nice view. Very little access to water, I'll tell you that. So bring plenty of water, especially if it's you and your dog. But we're going to get on out of here. So that is hiking with an axe. Catch you next time. So 9.46 miles. Did it in 4 hours and 38 minutes. I stopped and let my stuff dry out for at least an hour. So 3 hours and 38 minutes. So like I said, I think I could have knocked this out in 3 hours if I would have really went at it easy. So yeah, if I can do that, y'all can do it. Catch you on the trail.